Hello guys, do you want to create AI images and you don't want to pay any cents for the subscriptions? For example, you are searching for how to get Midjourney for free and how to get unlimited Midjourney prompts. So this video is made for you guys. In this video, I want to show you one of the best Midjourney alternative, which is called instantart.io. guys. On this website, you can create AI art for free, for absolutely free. You are not going to pay any cents for making the images. You can make as many as you want. You can see the examples. These images are made by instantart.io, and in this video I will show you step by step how to do it, how to generate AI art on this website for absolutely free. So I will leave the link in the description. You can go to this website. First of all, you should create the account. I will show you how to do it. You should click the Get Start button, click Sign Up, enter all of the information in these gaps and make an account. After you will make the account, then log into your account. On the main page of instantart, you can see plenty of AI images made by this wonderful bot, guys. It's like Midjourney, guys. This is one of the best alternatives for the Midjourney. You can see the example here. I like them. So there are plenty of AI images, and now I'll show you how to generate your own AI art, guys. So to create your own art, you should go to the generate page, which is in the top menu, and here you can see you should enter the image description in this gap, guys. You can also enter the negative prompts here. So I'm not going to enter the prompts my own. I'm going to search the prompts on Lexica Art. You can also search the prompts on this website. This is the place where you can get AI image ideas, guys. For example, let's try to make this similar image of this anime girl. Let's copy the prompt. Let's enter the prompt in this gap, and here we have some settings. First thing is the dimension. You should choose the dimension, but the biggest disadvantage of this tool is that you can choose a larger image than this one, guys. So this is the maximum dimension. You can choose also other dimensions. For example, at the moment I'm going to choose this one. Also, you can customize the contrast settings here, and here you can set image count from 1 to 4, guys. At the moment I will choose 1 because it will do it faster. Here are some model lights. I will suggest you to use all of them, test all of them, guys. For example, at the moment I'm going to use this one because I like this model light very much, guys. Let's choose wavy fusion and let's generate and look what will be the result. We should wait a few seconds or maximum 1 or 2 minutes, and our image, our AI content will be ready, guys, to use. And also, while this is processing, I want to tell you that this tool has got another disadvantage, and you can't close this tab, you can't go to other tabs while this is processing and generate, because if you go to other tab or if you close this window, it will stop processing. So that's why you should stay on this page until it will make the image. So guys, this process is already done and you can see the result. You can also test this tool. You can copy these prompts and you can test it, or you can create your own prompt. Just enter your prompt here and generate the AI image. So that's the thing I wanted to show you in this video tutorial. In conclusion, guys, if you don't want to pay, if you don't have enough money to buy Midjourney subscription, this tool is made for you guys. It's totally free. You can use this tool and you can generate as much content as you want. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the like button. Likes will be super important for me. Thank you and see you in the next video.